Alright, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be working on this handle here. Oh. Yeah. It has definitely seen better days, and yeah, we'll see what we can do with it. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that there, but this handle has got a pretty substantial crack in it. Right there. Nom, 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 nom. Well, the blade is still not really straight, but I don't want to heat it up and blow the temper on it. So, yeah, this will work. Alright, well, this is pretty much it. There we go. Nothing too fancy, just a quick little handle to make this guy's knife better. Machete, it's actually really comfortable. I'm probably going to put an epoxy layer over the handle just to, make it look a little bit nicer, but yeah, that part's pretty boring. Not that the rest of this wasn't, but yep. that is that. Later. In case y'all are wondering what kind of camera I'm using,